Hello class, good afternoon to all of you. Today we are going to start learning another topic. The topic of today is very simple. The topic of today is called simple past or past simple, which means exactly the same, que significa exactamente the same. Okay, first of all, past in Spanish means pasado. Okay, entonces es pasado simple el tema of today. Okay. So in this case, we're going to start with a very simple definition. And this one, remember, is a tense. So in this case, it says, we use this grammar tense to talk about activities that were done in the past or before the present. Yeah? So one more time, over here is telling you we use this grammar tense to talk about activities, yeah, that were done in the past, okay, or before the present. Yes, as simple as that. In Spanish, that one could be, utilizamos este tiempo gramatical, this grammar tense, to talk about, para hablar acerca de actividades that were done, que fueron hechas o fueron realizadas in the past or before the present, en el pasado o antes del presente. Okay? As simple as that. So in this case, as I was telling you, in simple words, this one, the past simple words is a grammar tense. That happens, or activities that is telling you that activities were done in the past. Yes, as simple as that. Es un tiempo gramatical en el cual te explica o te dice que unas actividades o algo sucedió were in the past. Yes, as simple as that. Okay, first of all, before we start, I'm gonna be telling you some keywords. Okay, antes de iniciar te voy a dar unas palabras claves para que sepan que estas palabras hablan acerca del past, del pasado. First of all, we have a very simple word which is called yesterday. Yesterday in Spanish means ayer. Okay, then we have another one. This one we can have like a specific number or a specific quantity, and then it could be a day. Oh, sorry, it could be like a day, a month, or an hour. And then we have ago. Ago means hace. Yes. So for example, if I tell you, si yo te digo 3 days ago, significaría hace 3 días. If I tell you 3 hours ago, it means hace 3 horas. Yes. And if I tell you 4 months ago, 4 months ago, significaría hace 3 meses. Hace 4 meses. Yeah, sorry. So that involves past. Eso involucra pasado. Okay. And yeah. Okay. So please make your notes, hagan sus notas. Those ones are going to be some of the keywords that we're going to be using. Okay, son algunas de las palabras claves que vamos a estar utilizando. Okay, so in this case, let me explain you how is the structure. Déjame le explico cómo es la estructura. It's something very simple. We normally start with our subject, yeah, structure for past. We normally start with the subject, and then after that we are going to have a verb, but in this case the verb is going to be in past. I will explain you what is that. Le voy a explicar cómo es eso. And then after that, pretty much our complement. This one is when the structure or the sentence is in affirmation. Yeah? Let me tell you an example. In this case, something that you don't know, we have like some verbs that we already know. Tenemos unos verbos que ya no sabemos, que ya los hemos visto desde hace mucho tiempo. For example, we have the verbs that we know that are in present, o los verbos en presente que ya no sabemos. And tenemos su forma pasada, okay? Past form of those verbs. So, se escriben algunos muy similar y otros totalmente totally different, ¿ok? So, let me give you some examples. De todos modos les voy a agregar ahí la tabla para que puedan saber cuál es el pasado of each verb, pero les voy a dar un ejemplo. Yes, for example, we have the verb eat, que significa comer, ya saben. Si yo digo yo como, pues yo digo I eat, pero si yo quiero decir yo comí, which is in past, que es en pasado, ya no voy a poder utilizar el verbo eat. I will have to use the past form of eat. Voy a utilizar la forma pasada de eat, and that one is ate. Yes? It's kind of similar, es un poquito similar, pero pues se escribe totally different. Yeah? Another example, if I want to say buy, de comprar. Oh, sorry, let me use the same color. Yo compro, y si yo quiero decir yo compré unas papas o algo, en vez de utilizar buy, I will use the past form of buy, which is bought. Okay? Last example, último ejemplo, si yo quiero decir, for example, correr, in present is run, you guys already know that. The past form of run is ran. Okay? So, in this case, the ones that I'm going to be using in this structure are going to be these ones, van a ser estos de acá. As I was telling you, I'll be adding you, les voy a agregar the columns, o la tabla, o las columnas del present and past, okay? Entonces, in this case, we are not going to be using that anymore, no vamos a utilizar los de presente aún, yeah? Let me tell you what, déjame les digo por qué. Primero, a very simple example, we can say that my little brother, oh, let me just use another color. Sorry. Okay, let me tell you an example. So we can say that my little brother ran, my little brother ran 4 kilometers yesterday. Yes? What does that mean? ¿Qué significa? Mi pequeño hermano, mi hermano el más pequeño, corrió 4 kilometers yesterday, ayer. Corrió 4 kilómetros ayer. Es tiempo en pasado, entonces es en past, es en pasado. Yes? So in this case, as I was telling you, we are going to be using, vamos a estar utilizando these verbs that we have over here. Estos verbos que tenemos acá, que es su forma en pasada. Okay? That is an affirmation. Let me explain you how it's going to be in negative form. In negative form, the structure for negative form is different. Yes? In this case, the structure for negative form, we start with the subject, and then, in this case, instead of using the verb in past, en vez de utilizar el verbo en pasado, vamos a utilizar un auxiliar para decir que no, pero es en pasado. This one is didn't, okay? Didn't or did not, which is exactly the same. Es exactamente lo mismo. Es para decir que no, but in past, okay? After that, instead of using the verb in past, we are going to be using the verb in present. Aquí ya es diferente because the verb is in present, yeah? And after that, we are going to write over complement, yes? So in this case, if, for example, I want to repeat the same, si quiero decir lo mismo acá, but in negative form, it's going to be totally different. Ya va a ser completamente diferente. So we say, my little brother, mi hermano el pequeño, my little brother, corrió. Aquí es en pasado y está en affirmative. Si yo quiero decir que no corrió, I will have to use this structure that I have over here. So I need to say, my little brother didn't, y el pasado, ya acuérdense que es ran, ¿ok? Este de acá, but I have to use now present. So I say, my little brother didn't run, yes, my little brother didn't run 4 kilometers yesterday. ¿Y qué significa eso de allá? Mi pequeño hermano, mi hermano el pequeño, no corrió 4 kilómetros ayer, ¿ok? As simple as that. Do we have, I suppose that you don't have questions, but the activity is going to be really simple. Va a ser muy sencilla. You're going to have to put the main verb in past when the sentence is in affirmative, and when it's negative form, we have to follow this structure, okay? So if you guys have questions about the activity or any doubts about it, just let me know, okay? So I will explain you what is going to be the activity on a message, okay? So take care, all of you guys. Les explico la actividad en el mensaje o en el post. And well, that's pretty much everything. So take care, all of you. Cuídense mucho, and I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.